In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate email in Zoho CRM. Ensuring your email is authenticated is crucial for maintaining the professionalism and reliability of your communication, as well as enhancing email deliverability. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting this up in your Zoho CRM. First, once you're logged into your Zoho CRM account, you'll want to navigate to the Setup section. This acts as the control hub where you can configure various aspects of your CRM experience. Once you're in Setup, look for the Channels section. This part of Zoho CRM allows you to manage how you communicate with your audience, and within Channels, click on Email. Here you'll need to find and select the option for email deliverability, which is where you can optimize your email settings to ensure your messages reach your recipients' inboxes effectively. Now, from the Email Deliverability section, focus on Email Authentication. This tool is designed to add an extra layer of security and trust to your emails, verifying that they are being sent from an authorized source. It's especially essential for businesses that want to maintain their reputation and avoid their emails being marked as spam. To start adding your domain, click on the Add Domain button. You'll be prompted to enter your company's domain or subdomain. Make sure that you enter this information accurately, as it's the critical link between your emails and your company's credibility. Once you've entered the domain, go ahead and submit it. Next, a verification email will be sent to the email address associated with your entered domain. This is a key part of the process, confirming that you indeed have access to the domain you've listed. This email will contain a verification code. Head over to your email inbox, and once you've received the email, note the verification code provided. Return to the Zoho CRM platform, and in the designated field, enter the verification code from the email. Entering this code completes the domain verification process. It acts as a final confirmation step to ensure that everything is set up correctly and that your domain is authenticated within Zoho CRM. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully authenticate your domain in Zoho CRM, which helps improve email deliverability and ensures that your emails are more reliably received by your clients and partners. This authentication not only protects your brand, but also boosts your email's chances of landing in the intended recipient's inbox, rather than being filtered out as spam. If you have any questions or run into any issues during this process, Zoho offers extensive support documentation, and their customer service team is also available to help guide you through any specific concerns you might have. Thanks for watching, and happy authenticating.